Welcome to this modern two-story home, built in 2020, boasting 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. This residence provides ample space for your family's needs. As you step inside, you'll immediately notice the floor plan creates a seamless flow between the living areas, making it ideal for both entertaining and everyday living. The main level features a spacious living room that serves as a welcoming gathering space for family and friends. Large windows allow natural light to flood the room, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. The kitchen showcases modern aesthetics and functionality. Upstairs, you'll find the 4 bedrooms, providing ample room for rest and relaxation. The primary bedroom offers a spacious layout and ensuite bathroom. The additional bedrooms are well-sized and can easily accommodate family members, guests, or be transformed into home offices.